the best.
Ready to jam.
I see your little head. I seen your little head. Where you at? He's a magician. He's gone. I know y'all saw. Alright everybody, welcome back to another match on every map here on Call of Duty Mobile. Hey, I think I'm getting a little better at saying that, if I do say so myself. But look, not at my butt. But look, we got Hovec Sawmill for our next match. Once again, going into a blind. I don't know where this is from. I think this is from Modern Warfare, but I'm not sure. Okay, here's the map layout. 1, 3, 5, 2. Are those the hardpoint locations? Interesting. Hey, let's go. Back to the AK. Once again, I did not change my score streaks. It's okay though.
Hardpoint identified.
Just pumping out the matches at this point.
It's too close. Fight harder.
Nobody.
Oh, there's
Hardpoint
nothing
is
over here.
ours.
Also, what is this map?
Enemy down. Down.
I don't know the map. I don't know this map. Is this from Modern Warfare? I feel like this is from Modern Warfare.
Hardpoint contested.
Enemy down.
Hardpoint contested.
Where?
Contact with enemy.
Oh my goodness. I need to pick up your gun, buddy. Give me it. Alright, let's go. Get your reload off here.
Tango down. Reloading. Cover me.
Jesus, I need to really, like, make the shoot button bigger or something. Where are they gonna be coming from? Kind of see what this guy's working with his gun setup. I don't even know what gun
Hardpoint
this is.
contested.
Enemy down. Reloading. Cover me.
Hardpoint contested. Hardpoint contested.
Oh
Hardpoint
my
identified.
goodness, another assist. I'm going back to my AK.
Need backup.
Yo, y'all are back here? What? Hold on now.
Hardpoint locked down. UAV recon standing by. Repeat. UAV
Okay,
recon
got a
standing
UAV.
tested.
What's back here?
Let's go. Let's go.
UAV online.
Whoa, they're all
Friendly
coming this
stealth
way.
chopper inbound.
Hold on now. One just walked right by me?
Contact with enemy.
Hunter killer drone deployed.
I should have been dead.
Friendly napalm
I should have been
deployed.
dead. These controls are
Reloading.
not the best.
Ready to jam.
Enemy inside.
I see your little head. I seen your little head. Where you at? He's a magician. He's gone. I know y'all saw it too.
Target down.
I'm getting shot at from the back. I am.
Target's in sight.
Teammate saves me.
Counter UAV is up. Good work.
Throw up the counter.
Enemy in sight.
Oh my
Hardpoint
goodness.
identified. Friendly hunter killer drone deployed.
Let's go. Let's go.
I got lucky.
Hostiles have captured the hard. Taken the lead.
I'm about to go in.
Enemy in
Oh.
sight.
It's not there yet. 94%.
Contact with enemy.
Stealth chopper on standby.
Got my stealth chopper.
Hardpoint is ours.
Let's go. Let's go.
Call it in.
Stealth chopper inbound.
Yeah, let's go.
Enemy down.
Hardpoint contested.
Enemy contact.
Minor assist. That's great.
Target down. Target down.
Stealth chopper kill. Thank you.
Reloading. Cover me.
Keep on them. We're winning this one.
I need a UAV. Fury kill. Yo, chopper going in. There we go.
Headshot. Target's in sight.
Come back.
UAV recon ready for deployment.
Okay, there's my UAV.
Hardpoint identified.
Back
Enemy
here.
down.
Dang, chopper's getting to him way
Hostiles have
before I
the
can.
hardpoint.
Hold up now.
Cover me. Reload me.
Okay,
Dang it,
quick
what is
match.
it?
What a good ending too. Yeah, so there it is.
Ow.
Havoc on Sawmill.
So,
Hello, can you hear me?
Target's in sight.
If so, you about to be on YouTube. Say hi. Wow, I only got third. Apparently they couldn't hear me, but I got third. So if they get, I ain't die, so I'll take it.
Good job.
Wait, I don't know if I did have a death or not. Hey, got a camo. That's what I'm working for, man, these camos. But I'm gonna swap up guns and score streaks for next one. But yeah, Havoc on Sawmill. Let me know if y'all have played it before. If y'all have another map you want me to play, let me know. Cause, like I said, there's a bunch of them, and I'm finna play them all. One match on every map, just for YouTube. Cause why not? So stay tuned, like and subscribe for more. Hope you guys enjoyed the episode. Hope you have a great day. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.